Number 1. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus with motion-activated 1080p HD video. 1080p HD security camera with motion-activated LED floodlights, 105 dB security siren, two-way talk, and customizable motion zones. Get motion-activated notifications on your phone, tablet, or PC and check in at home anytime with Live View all in the Ring app. Customize motion zones in the Ring app to fine-tune which areas you want to focus on. Eliminate blind spots or dark areas with built-in color night vision. Number 2. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro with bird's eye view and 3D motion detection. Get pro-level security camera with 2K video, motion-activated LED floodlights, two-way talk and audio, 3D motion detection, and a built-in 110 dB security siren. Upgraded with advanced security features like improved noise reduction and bird's eye view, a way to monitor motion events from above in the Ring app, pinpoint motion with bird's eye zones to get accurate real-time alerts in the Ring. Number 3. Ring Spotlight Cam Plus, battery, two-way talk. Look in anytime, watch over your home day or night in wide angle, 1080p HD video with color night vision and check in at any time with Live View. Stop intruders in their tracks. With 2 motion-activated LED spotlights that turn on when they detect motion, and sound the built-in security siren with just a few taps, focus on important areas. Customizable motion zones let you choose exactly what your camera covers, so you only GE. Number 4. Ring Wired Doorbell Plus with Ring Floodlight Cam Plus. This bundle contains 1 Ring Wired Doorbell Plus with 1 Ring Floodlight Cam Plus, white. Get motion-activated alerts on your phone, tablet, or PC and check in at home anytime with Live View all in the Ring app. Speak to visitors when you can't get to the door with built-in Alexa greetings, an exclusive Ring Home subscription feature. Enjoy a more reliable connection with dual-band, 2.4 or 5.0 GHz, Wi-Fi connectivity. Number 5. Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. This bundle contains Ring Wired Doorbell Pro, Video Doorbell Pro 2, and Ring Floodlight Cam Wired, white, premium wired video doorbell with head-to-toe HD video, two-way talk with audio, 3D motion detection, built-in Alexa greetings, an exclusive Ring Home subscription feature, sold separately, and customizable privacy settings. See more of who stops by and check in on package deliveries down low with improved 1536p head-to-toe HD video.
With customizable motion detection and a built-in siren.
Welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.